Hi everyone. So in previous video, we talked about array implementation, like how array can be implemented into the Python and all this. So in this video, we are going to talk about linked list, the basics about the linked list. We will just get the introduction, real world examples about the linked list. And after that, we will just see the use cases of a linked list uh, into the developer's life and all this. And into our next video, we are going to talk about the linked list implementation. So we'll start with today. So basically, you can see this is a array. Array is like a collection of same type of elements stored into the consecutive memory locations. You can see this one, this one, this one. And what is linked list? Before linked list, we should understand what is node. So node is a kind of a data structure, like a small structure where we are having a two places. First is a value of that particular node, and the second is a address of the next node. So that is your basically uh, definition of a node. And what is a linked list? Linked list is a collection of nodes. So how this address is going to help us to prepare the linked list? You can see below. This is a first node which has the value 10. Okay, and it has an address field also. And what it is storing is it is storing the address of a next node into the current node. So by means when we are on the head, right, by taking this address we can just jump to the next node, which is this second node. So second node has the value of a 20, and the address of a next node is a 950. So we can directly jump to the 950. This is a third node where we are having the value as a 30 and address is a null. Address is a null means we don't have a next node here. So that's why it is null. So there are multiple types of a linked list. Doubly linked list. As of now, in linked list is we are just going ahead into the right direction. So into the doubly linked list, we can go ahead also and we can come back also. That is kind of a double linked list. And what is circular linked list? Circular linked list is kind of a singly linked list or doubly linked list where the last node is connected to the first node or first node is connected to the last node, that kind of thing. So real world examples about the linked list, if we can just take about train. So you can just take a look. So I have already opened the example. So this first bogie of a train is a head. We can consider that as a head. And these are a further nodes. And you can see the link between them. So like a second node is connected by a link to the first node, all this stuff. So these are kind of real world examples. And if we talk about our daily life, right? So if we can open the Spotify, so we can see, we can just go ahead with the songs. We can just come back into the songs or pages of this browser. So we can just go next also and go previous also, like this. So this is also example of a linked list. We can just go back and we can just go ahead also. So that those are the real world examples and use cases of a linked list. So as a developer, we don't have to worry about the implementation of a linked list while working into the daily life. Apart from that, we are going to use it extensively into our daily life, but without worrying the implementation. So a lot of languages like Java, Python, and C++, all these industry standard libraries, industry standard languages are providing the implementation for the linked list. So we can directly use that. And the second important thing is for coding interviews, there will be a 30 to 40 problems on the top of the linked list, which will be redundant into the coding interviews. Once you prepare that, we are good to go for the interview. So that is all about the linked list basics, linked list introduction. Into our next video, we are going to talk about the implementation of a linked list. Okay, chalo, bye.